Hey, ever learned a cool fact that lives rent-free in your head? Like how an octopus has 3 hearts, or how radioactive radium was used to paint watch hands. Wait, that didn't sound safe. Man, I wish I had a device that can detect radiation. Looking at the old design, it seems we were going in the correct direction. So we're just going to make some minor changes. Okay, it seems we swapped out the old microcontroller with one that has a screen, cleaned up the high voltage circuit, and the detection circuit, added inputs, and a buzzer. See? Minor changes. As for the PCB design, well, let's just say this took a little longer than expected. But it came out nicely. I mean, it's compact, and only has a single layer, so you can make it at home. Speaking of which, that was the plan. Oh, that was quick. PCBWay offered to send us the PCBs. We said sure. And they have turned out nicely. I mean, look at that finish. Neat. I wonder if it works. Oh, right. Software. We start with an empty project. And with the power of editing, who needs to see months of work? Doesn't seem to like that. How about this? The device has an intuitive UI, a graph, and multiple settings, as well as a web interface with a monitoring page, Wi-Fi page, MQTT. Wait, are those the same device settings? Huge thanks for PCBWay. They were quick, and we really like the finish on the PCBs. If you want to make this yourself, all the files are on GitHub, and if you want more details, you can find them on the Hackaday page down in the description. That's it for this video.